ọmọ apàlè lékúnkún àrìgbó, ọmọ aláwẹ̀ kó má kùnrọ̀ sọ́jà, kó torí wíwẹ̀ kó wí ká bomi alura. The joy of every teacher is in the production of globally competitive graduates, both in learning and character. I began my teaching career at Ladoke Akintola University of Technology, Ogbomoso. It is my joy that I've been part of the production of globally competitive graduates. There I met wonderful people. I met great Nigerians. One of them is Olanike Oluyemi. Olanike Oluyemi left St. Louis Grammar School, Ikere Ekiti, to attend Ladoke Akintola University of Technology to study agricultural economics and extension. Back in those days, Oluyemi has every sense of respect, sense of humor. She's a dignified young lady, imbued with exceptional moral conduct, respect for elders, humility that is second to none. Back then, we already saw a great woman. We saw a virtuous woman in Oluyemi Olanike, and that's who she is today. A devoted wife, a pious wife, and a proud mother. I join your numerous well-wishers the world over to celebrate you. Every November 6th is your day, and you deserve to be celebrated. We are very proud of you. The Ogutola Alamu family is proud of you. Ladoke Akintola University of Technology alumni is proud of you. Please continue with the virtues that you are known with. Congratulations on your birthday. I wish you long life and prosperity. Join me to celebrate a virtuous woman, a close family friend, a mentee par excellence. Join me to celebrate Olanike Oluyemi on her birthday. Olanike will rejoice with you. We congratulate you, we celebrate you. Your husband celebrates you.
To our wife,
your children celebrate you.
Caring, loving,
we are all very, very proud of you.
Wife.
Congratulations.
This day,
Olanike Oluyemi Adeleye ojúlówó ọmọ Èkìtì. Bó ṣe jẹ́ ọmọ wọn ní Láwẹ́ Èkìtì, bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ló tún jáya wọn nílùú Péjú Èkìtì. Èkìtì kété Èkìtì, olókè méjì takọtabo lórí ara wọn, òkèlè kéèkì mọ́tò láyà. Èkìtì torí iyán bá wọn rògbòrò, bàbá yín torí ìdẹ́wẹ́rẹ́ bá wọn dọ́wọ́ gbọgbọrọ. Ibẹ̀ yìí lọmọ Odò Àrà, ọmọ ẹkùn tó ń fi torítorí, ọmọ ẹkùn tó ń fi tìrùtìrù, ọmọ ẹkùn tó ń ṣeré orí ìpá. Èèyàn tí ó gbéná wojú ẹkùn yóò sì mọ́ra wọn. Ọmọ asọyẹ́soru, ọmọ alọ́yẹ́muyin, ẹ̀yin lọ́mọ alágógó àjílù. Ọláníkẹ́ Olúyẹmí ulé yá o, ó dèkìtì. Ọmọ Ògún ó rògìdìlà, ó mú bẹ̀m̀bẹ̀ agbẹtamílọ́rẹ. Ọmọ Ògún àjọ alápá mùkàrà pàdídùn, mùkàrà sì jìn sínú agbára tẹ̀rẹ̀ òkókó lọ́nà àwẹ̀. Ọmọ alágbàdo àyà àyà tán, ọmọ àrìmọ̀nà gbé sínú àgbàdo. Ọmọ onímọ̀gùnmọ̀gùn àjànà yà, ọmọ onímọ̀gùnmọ̀gùn àfọmọwẹ́rẹ́. Ọmọ olókè ẹ̀yọ̀kẹ́ rúgọ̀gọ́, ó múru ẹkùn ṣeré ní mògún. Ọmọ amábẹ́rẹ́ gúnyán, ọmọ apàlè lékúnkún àrìgbó, ọmọ aláwẹ̀ kó má kùnrọ̀ sọ́jà, kó torí wíwẹ̀ kó wí ká bomi alura. Ọláníkẹ́ Olúyẹmí Adélẹ́yẹ, àyọ̀gbóntọrẹ́, adágbágbóntòsè, atáré àgarasán gara mẹ́ta. Ọdọọdún làárọ̀ orógbó, ọdọọdún làárọ̀ àwùsá, ọdọọdún làárọ̀ mobì lórí àtẹ. Bó ṣe ṣọdún ọdún ní, wàá ṣọ̀pọ̀ ọdún tọmọtọmọ nínú ọlá ńlá pẹ̀lú àlàáfíà tó péye.
First let me say to you, I cannot wait to see you. You are the treasure I've been waiting for. Do you know how much I really need you? I dey pray for the day when I can finally kiss you. You know say